Let's learn the capital and small alphabets. Capital A, small A for apple, A for aeroplane. Capital B, small b, B for ball, B for bat. Capital C, small c, C for cat, C for crow. Capital D, small d, D for dog, D for drum. Capital E, small e, E for egg, E for elephant. Capital F, small f, F for fish, F for frog. Capital G, small g, G for grapes, G for goat. Capital H, small h, H for hat, H for hen. Capital I, small I for ice cream, I for ink pot. Capital J, small j, J for jug, J for joker. Capital K, small k, K for kite, K for king. Capital L, small l, L for leaf, L for lion. Capital M, small m, M for man, M for monkey. Capital N, small n, N for nose, N for nest. Capital O, small o, O for orange, O for octopus. Capital P, small p, P for pencil, P for parrot. Capital Q, small q, Q for queen, Q for quilt. Capital R, small r, R for ribbon, R for rabbit. Capital S, small s, S for soap, S for sunflower. Capital T, small t, T for table, T for tree. Capital U, small u, U for umbrella, U for utensils. Capital V, small v, V for van, V for vase. Capital W, small w, W for watch, W for whale. Capital X, small x, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Capital Y, small Y for yak, Y for yarn. Capital Z, small z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo.